To mark International Dogs Day, we here at Carzone are launching a campaign around driving safely with dogs. Our research found that 98% of dog owners drive regularly with their dogs. However, almost 40% don't restrain their dogs while driving. We are delighted to have teamed up with dog behaviourist Suzi Walsh to take you through tips around driving safely with your dog.
Whether it's a quick trip to the vet or a longer journey away, you want to make sure your journey is safe and comfortable for your dog. First things first, when travelling with your dog in the car, you need to have an approved seatbelt and car harness. If not, an approved car crate, so that your dog can travel safely beside you. You're legally required to restrain your dog while travelling in the car, so it's safe for you and safe for your dog as well as other drivers on the road. If your dog is travelling in the front seat of the car, you need to disable the airbag. Chew toys with hidden treats inside are a good way to keep your dog from getting stressed and getting distracted in the car while you're on a journey. Another good tip is to prepare a doggy travel kit, including food, a water bowl, poo bags and dog wipes for any dirty paws and messes that might arise on your journey. It's also a good idea to keep a blanket in the car for the dog to sit on, ensuring that you keep your car clean. To avoid stress in the car, coax your dog in with tasty treats or a chew toy. Do this before you start the car and spend 10 minutes ensuring your dog is relaxed before you drive anywhere.